Are you looking to make money online in 2025? Then make sure you stay tuned. I've got 10 proven ways that you can make money in 2025, and I'm going to run through them step by step right now. Yeah, hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we share obviously the latest tips and tricks and strategies to help you succeed in this digital world. Today we're going to be diving into something exciting, and that is 10 proven ways to make money online in 2025. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I've got you covered. And make sure you stick around because number 5 is one of the fastest growing ways to earn online. So let's jump right in. First on our list is freelancing. In 2025, freelancing is more in demand than ever. Businesses are increasingly outsourcing tasks like graphic design, writing, video editing, and web development. Platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork are connecting freelancers to clients worldwide. The best part, you can set your own rates and work from anywhere. So to get started, you will need to create a strong profile showcasing your skills and build your profile on these platforms. Over time, you will gain more clients and even charge premium prices. Number 2 is content creation. If you love sharing knowledge, story, or entertainment, content creation is a fantastic way to make money online. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and even podcasting can create revenue through ads, sponsorship, and fan support. So start with a niche you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, fashion, or personal finance. Build an audience, stay consistent, and watch the income streams grow. Number 3, selling digital products. So in 2025, selling digital products like ebooks, courses, and design templates is a game changer. Once you can create a product, it can then generate passive income for years. Platforms such as Gumroad, Teachable, and Canva make it easy to sell digital products. If you have an expertise in a particular field, this is a great option to monetize it. Number 4, dropshipping. Dropshipping continues to be a popular way to make money online. You don't need to hold any inventory or worry about shipping. Instead, you work with suppliers who handle those tasks while you focus on marketing and selling. You can use platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce to set up your store. Pair it with tools like Obolo to find products and automate the process. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Now here's my personal favorite. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earning money in 2025. I've actually created a mini course for anyone who's interested in affiliate marketing, and you can get that by just clicking the link in the description below this video. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service through your unique affiliate link and earn a commission for every sale that's made through your link. You can then promote anything from softwares to physical products. Some of the top affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, OLSP System, and there's many more. To succeed, choose products that align with your audience and create honest, value-backed content around them. Number 6, remote consulting. If you're an expert in a specific field like business, marketing, or personal finance, consulting could be your golden ticket. Businesses and individuals are always seeking expert advice to solve problems or grow their ventures. You can offer one-to-one or group sessions using platforms like Zoom or Calendly to book appointments. The key is to deliver real value and build a reputation. Number 7 is stock photography and videos. If you love photography or videography, you can earn by selling stock content. Websites like Shutterbox, Adobe Stock, or Pexels let you upload your work and pay you whenever someone downloads your images or videos. It's a great way to turn your passion into a passive income. Just make sure that your content is high quality and in demand. Number 8, virtual assistant. With remote work on the rise, virtual assistants are more essential than ever. As a VA, you'll help businesses with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and even social media management. You've got platforms like Belay and Zirtual are great places to find clients. You can also reach out to small businesses directly to offer your services. Number 9, online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Websites like tutor.com, VIP Kid, and Prepare connect you with students from around the world. So whether it's teaching English, maths, or coding, online tutoring is a rewarding way to earn while making a difference. So number 10, making money with apps, playing games and taking surveys. So last but not least, let's talk about making money with apps, playing games and completing surveys. In 2025, there are countless platforms that reward you for tasks as simple as sharing your opinion, testing new games, or using cashback apps. So apps like Swagbucks, Free Cash, Misplay and Ratacoon allow you to earn gift cards, cashback and even PayPal cash. If you enjoy playing mobile games, apps like Free Cash reward you for your time you spend playing. And for survey, platforms like Toluna and Survey Junkie are popular choices. Whilst this won't make you rich overnight, it is fun and easy way to earn a little extra income in your spare time. Pair this with other income streams for a well-rounded online income. That's our list of 10 proven ways to make money online. So whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, or even earning money through apps and surveys, there is an option for everyone. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and obviously hit the notification bell so then you don't miss any future tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which method you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.